guys, and welcome to this Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. I am so excited to be sharing more about integrity with you guys this week, but first we need to kick it on over to Raymond, who is going to lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Great job, you guys. Now, if you remember from Thursday and Friday, our new core value word for this month is integrity. The first week of every month, we always focus on saying the word and really understanding the definition of our new core value word. So this month, our definition for integrity is choosing to be truthful in what you say and do. All right, so say that with me. Choosing to be truthful in what you say and do. Here's my challenge for you today. I want you to practice getting that in your head. So I want you to stand up and you're going to hop on one foot while you're saying the definition. So choosing to be truthful in what you say and do. And then switch to the other foot. Choosing to be truthful in what you say and do. I want you to do that 3 times. I want you to hop on one foot and say the core value definition 3 times. And we're really going to get those brains warming up and get that definition in our head so that we know what it means to show integrity. Now, today, we are going to be continuing to take some of our checklist tests, which is why you might notice that your load of schoolwork is a little bit less this week, okay? So we're not going to have quite as much schoolwork as we normally do because we're going to be taking some of the checklist assessments, which means we also might not get to everything that's in your packet for this week, and that's okay because we are trying to get these checklists completed without having to lose any small group time. So, today you're just going to be reviewing your vocabulary. You are going to be working on your phonics review and a phonics lesson, and you will have your math lesson as well. So, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. I'm going to turn it on over to Calendar so that we can get our day rocking and rolling. All right, guys, let's get started with Calendar for today. Now, we know that yesterday was the first day of our school week, which means it was Monday. So if yesterday was Monday, then today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, we need to look at our calendar shapes to see if our pattern is going to be an AAB pattern or if our pattern is going to be something else. All right, let's turn it over and let's see what today's shape is. It is a green rectangle. But do you see anything different? I see that my green rectangle is not vertical. Now I have a horizontal rectangle. So I'm going to have to change that to a letter C. So now we have AAB, AAC. So it is a green rectangle, but my rectangle has been rotated and now it is a horizontal rectangle. So when you draw your shape today, you need to make sure that it is a horizontal rectangle. All right? We are in the month of October, so O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. All right, let's say today's date. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. We're going to go ahead and add another number to our hundreds chart. On Monday, we had the number 40. So today we're going to add another number here, and it is going to be the number 41. Now, remember, we've been talking about those patterns that we saw on the hundreds chart yesterday. We know that as we go down the hundreds chart, our numbers increase by 10, or we are counting by tens. So we know 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. So that is correct. We need to color in another 10. Miss Gates can't talk today. We need to color in another ones cube on your hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Remember, yesterday we had enough ones to make a trade and trade out 10 1 cubes for a 10 rod. So now we have 4 10s and 1 cube. So our number is 41. All right? We also got to make a trade over here on our coin. We traded those 5 pennies for a nickel. All right, so let's see how much we have today. We're going to add a penny in. All right, here we go. We're going to start counting with our quarters. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, so I'm told. And then we're going to move to our dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Okay? And then we're going to move on to our nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So look, it's really cool. Today we have one of every single coin that we're going to be using this year, which is really neat. Here we go. We're going to start with the quarter, which is worth 25. So 25, 35, okay, 35, 40, 41. So today we have 41 cents. Man, my marker is not great. We have 41 cents today. And remember, we can also write that as $0.41. Great job. Let's move on to our clock. All right, so here we go. We are going to add another minute around our clock. Remember, on Monday, we reached another milestone number. I switched out the black and wrote it in red now. So we have been around the clock 40 minutes. And let's see what we get today. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then we're going to count one more, 41. So it is 141. Very good. Let's count really quickly. We're going to count by fives from 5 to 100 and back again. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's go backwards. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, and 0. Very good. Now we're going to count by tens from 0 to 100 and back again. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's go backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Very good. All right. Today we are going to be counting by 100s, and we are going to start at 92. So we're going to start at 92 and count by 100s. So remember, the only number that's going to be changing is the number in the hundreds place. So pause your video, finish counting with your pattern, and then come on back and check to see if you're right. So here we go. 92, 192, 292, 392, 492, 592, 692, 792, 892, 992. Great job, guys. I will see you guys in reading groups in just a little while.